Hello and welcome to the brief demonstration on how to enable your Intulse virtual phone app. First, after you've had the Intulse app installed, you'll just touch the icon to open up the following screen. And once you're in the screen, you will enter your email address. After you've entered your email address, your work email, you'll hit the Next button. You will then go to your email inbox and copy the code go back to the app, paste the code, and hit confirm. You will get this main intro screen. Then just touch down here where you see the phone, and that will take you into the main phone screen, or what we call the My Phone screen. Up at the top you see where it says virtual phone and it's disabled. You'll just touch that. It says connecting. Now it's connected. Now you are ready to make and receive phone calls with the Intulse app. Once in the app, if there are items that you would like to configure, just touch the gear. And you can go into the virtual phone area, and there are some settings inside of here that you can adjust. Voicemail is also able to be managed from inside the app, as well as many other features. There are other videos to go into additional detail. Thank you, and we wish you much success in using the Intulse app and virtual phone.